Hello?
Hey, bestie. I'm Misconceptions, here to serve looks and clarity about Mary Kay. I'm hydrated. I'm unstoppable. I'm 90% finishing spray. Mary Kay is for everyone, not just your Nana, but shout out to her anyway. What would Mary Kay Ash do? She'd contour, then conquer, moisturize, then monetize. She'd hydrate, then dominate. A little more. Perfect. There's a lot of rumors swirling around out there about our products and our company, and I'm here to set the record straight. Mary Kay is for the bold, the bougie, the booked, and busy. Hello? Yes, I'm very busy. What? Rot night and full glam counts.